What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Fashion Nova haul. My name is Nicole and I make videos on plus size fashion, lifestyle, a little mama content. So if any of that interests you, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok. TikTok I don't update quite as often as I would like to, but if you guys would like to follow me there, I will leave the links to my other social media down below as well. With every one of my try on hauls, I always leave all the good info down in that description box, so do not forget to check that out. I will have my measurements, my height, what size I typically am, and then all throughout the video, I will tell you what size item that I got before I try it on. So I'm very excited. We got some really good things, got some tops. Got quite a few like 2-piece sets, couple bodysuits. So I'm really excited. This stuff is great for summer. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, the first item I got is a fun one. It is a cowl neck spaghetti strap top. It is more of a cropped top and it is so sparkly. It is like a lime green sparkly material, very stretchy. It does have adjustable straps, which is nice, but it's just super cute. This would look adorable with some high-waisted shorts or high-waisted pants, a high-waisted skirt. Like, honestly, any bottom. Pick a bottom. This will look cute with it. I just feel like it would be so cute for summer. So I'm really excited to wear this. I picked this one up in a 3X and I thought the fit was great. The one thing about it is this is gonna have to be a strapless bra situation for sure. Next up is another cute one. This is a long sleeve blouse that just has like one tie here at like where your bra line would be. I think this is so cute. This would look adorable for a night out, like if you had like a cute kind of a bra on. You can also wear a cami under it or like a cropped cami. I wanted to say sports bra, but you guys know what I mean. Like something cute, like a lacy bralette. Bralette, that was the word I was looking for. A bralette. That would look really cute under this. I love the color of it as well. It's just kind of unique. It's like a taupey, I almost want to say like a light, like mauve-y purpley color, but I don't know. It's just so pretty, so frilly, and I got this in a 3X as well. The stretch, there is a little bit of stretch, but not like a crazy amount. I thought the fit, the 3X on me was perfect. Next up is this corset, like spaghetti strap crop top. This one did not quite work out for me. As you guys can see in the try on, the buttons have like an elastic hoop. So honey, they were pulling. I mean pulling. If this top was sewn there first, and then just had the buttons for looks, it would have fit perfectly because it is like, it does have some give to it, but yeah, it was just pulling a little too much. But I will say it is very pretty. There are adjustable straps. It is lined, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. It does have like boning in the back, so that way you don't have to worry about anything rolling up. It is overall a very pretty top. Obviously, if you're smaller than me, you wouldn't have that issue with it pulling, but I picked it up in a 3X and I think it is so pretty. Next up is like a bathing suit cover-up type of top. This I'm definitely going to be wearing. I'm going on like a birthday trip to San Diego next month, and when I tell you I'm gonna be wearing this, I'm gonna be wearing it. And honestly, maybe not even over a bathing suit. I kind of like it just as a top. It is a very holy, it's like this knitted white cropped top. I think this with like a little bralette under it would be so cute. I cannot wait to wear this, cannot wait. Obviously it's stretchy because it's kind of like a knitted material, and I picked this one up in a 3X as well. Okay, next up is this really cute black button up. This one was kind of see-through as well, like in this bottom portion, but it does have like this lace detailing all along the back and the sleeves. It does have a collar and it is like fully button up. This one was very roomy. I got it in a 3X. It's not stretchy whatsoever. This one I feel like would also make a really good bathing suit cover up. You could obviously keep it buttoned, but I feel like I would just like wear my bathing suit and then unbutton all of them and just wear it almost like a little like jacket. What? I don't know. Got it in 3X, can't remember if I said that. Not stretchy. Next up we have like an oversized tee. It is white, has this on the front. I just thought it was really cute. I love wearing oversized tees like this with biker shorts or even honestly yoga pants. Like, it's just such a comfortable outfit, but I feel like you can dress it up a little bit and make it cute. Not dress it up, but like throw on a nice like gold necklace, do your hair maybe like up in a claw or something, wear some chunky gold hoops, and you're good to go. So this I picked up in a 3X. I thought the fit was great. All right, then I got a couple bodysuits. The first one is this fun patterned one. It is a short sleeve made of that really stretchy like see-through mesh material. It is like a corally pink and black line design. It is very see-through. It does have lettuce trim on the neckline and on the arms. I think it's super cute, very stretchy. I really love this material for bodysuits. I picked this one in a 3X. The next bodysuit that I got is just a basic like ribbed black tank bodysuit. Ah, I just bit my tongue. Let's try that again. The next one I picked up is just a like a basic black ribbed bodysuit. Very, very nice quality. Like, this is really good quality. It kind of like sucks you in a little bit. I like it a lot. This is just like a really nice staple to have, I feel like, in your closet. I got it in a 3X. The one thing about it, I will say, is it kind of comes in like this. So if you're gonna wear a regular bra, you'll probably see your bra straps. But if you get one of those like things that hooks your bra in the back to kind of make it like an X, then you'll be fine. But really cute. Just a basic piece everyone needs to have in their closet. Okay, we are moving on to some fun ones. This is a romper. It is, I don't know where I was going with that. This is a romper, long pant romper, like really flowy pants. It does have spaghetti straps. It's a V-neck. The straps are adjustable. This material is that material that is like crazy soft and crazy stretchy, but it is truly the most comfortable thing I've ever put on my body, and I can't wait to wear this. I think this might be a San Diego outfit as well. I just love everything about it. It was so comfortable on, so pretty. I picked it up in a 3X, and yes, it is very stretchy. Oh yeah, and there are pockets. Best part. Okay, this next set I love. Like, I almost wish that I wore shorts. I do not wear shorts. I hate shorts. They ride up. It's just not the business. So I do not wear shorts. But look at this set. It is like this silky, really pretty lime green material. The top is button up with a collar, and it's a very flowy. And then it has the flowy shorts to go with it. Like, are you joking? It is so cute. Like I said, wish, okay, I guess this is the time the mail is gonna come. Like I said, I wish I wore shorts. I feel like especially ones like this that are like lightweight, they just ride up and it's so annoying, like pulling it down all the time. If you guys have any like a remedy for that besides like the obvious losing weight, let me know, because I would love to wear shorts like in the meantime while I'm in the process of losing this baby weight. So let me know. Can't remember if I said got it in a 3X, and it does have some stretch. Next we have another two-piece set, and this one is a little wild because this is just full-on zebra stripe. We have the zebra striped button-up top that I feel like Carlos would love and wear. Like, sometimes if it's like a button-up like this, like, he will totally wear it. Okay, self-explanatory. And then it has the flowy pants to go with it. This material is slightly stretchy. Not like, there's not a crazy amount of stretch, I'm gonna be honest, but it is slightly stretchy. It does have pockets, which is great. And I feel like this is just another kind of beachy outfit. If it's like a cooler like evening and you're walking the beach, like even having this open with like a little tank or crop top under it would be so cute. But it is wild. The fun part about it though is you could wear them separately. So if you wanted to wear this with like that black tank bodysuit, call that a day. It's an outfit. And then if you wanted to wear these with like some plain black shorts or some jean shorts, that would be another outfit. Call it a day. So I like how versatile this could be, and it's just cute. Very cute. Okay, this next item was a no for me. Like, it wasn't even kind of cute. Let me put it that way. It was bad, real bad. It's this Slinky red material, which I actually love the material. Like, it's very beautiful, but it's this like cropped with ruching, and then the skirt that goes with it also has some like ruching, but it was just a little bit odd on my body. Like I said, I didn't even like partially think it was cute. It was just a big fat no for me, but I can see how it would look cute maybe on someone else. I got it in a 3X and it is stretchy. Next up, we have a very casual two-piece set. It is this green t-shirt with a hood, and it does have this like, what do you even call that? I don't even know. It's like a white, like almost like a hemline design, and it has the matching biker shorts to go with it. I thought this was really cute. Okay, one of the legs is caught up in there, so sorry about that. I thought it was cute, just very casual. This is definitely something I would wear around the house or to run errands in. I just think it's cute and I do love this color. Picked it up in a 3X and it is stretchy. Okay, last item is another two-piece set, and it's another like a t-shirt biker short set. This one is kind of like a tie-dye effect. It is white and gray. I'm sorry, white, is that white? It's like basic colors, Nicole. You have a master's degree, what's going on? That would be black. Black and gray, tie-dye-ish top with the matching biker shorts. This one is another one that's very comfortable. I feel like you could wear these together or wear them separately. Definitely, like I said, an outfit that I would wear around the house or even to run errands in. These ones were very comfortable, very comfortable. One thing about Fashion Nova is I love their like loungy, like comfortable sets. They're just everything. So that was everything that I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions at all, don't forget to check that description box. And if you don't see it there, definitely leave me a comment and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.